Hello, my name is Rinchen and I'm from the Ladakh and I'm the owner of Grand Himalaya Hotel. And we have started this hotel in 2023, and at that time we met with Mr. Kanan, who is running EcoTec, and with him we had some conversation, and then he told us that what is the benefit of having an STP, and when we listened to him and when we came to know about this thing, we were so happy that this is the one which, when we use this water, the used water, that will be converted into a new one which can be used for the gardening and everything. So that was a very nice project, and we really liked the concept, and we contacted him, and we wanted to plant this STP into our hotel before the government already told us to do that. So in 2023 we started this project of the STP, and Mr. Ramesh was there who installed everything, and from that time the STP is running very smoothly without any problem. And whenever there is some problem, he's just a call away and he will explain everything. If not, he would come here and he would rectify everything. So we are totally very happy with the service of the EcoTec and wish them a very good luck for the coming future. Thank you.